Right now in America, credit card debt hit $1.13 trillion. Debt delinquencies are up 50%, and consumer spending is dropping. These three things happening at the same time is not a coincidence. This is the warning signal nobody is talking about.
Welcome back to Financial Stud. I'm about to show you something that keeps economists up at night. The last 4 times this specific signal appeared in the U.S. economy, a recession followed within 6 months. And right now, this signal is flashing red. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's coming and how to protect yourself.
Let's talk about what's really happening. Most people look at stock market numbers, unemployment rates, and GDP growth and think everything is fine. But here's what they're missing. When the average American consumer starts struggling, the entire economy follows. Think about this. Consumer spending makes up 70% of the entire U.S. economy. 70%. So when consumers stop spending, everything breaks down.
Let me show you the proof. Remember 2008? Before the crash, banks were over-leveraged. Housing prices were unrealistic. Consumer debt was exploding. Sound familiar? Before the 2001 recession, tech bubble burst. Consumer confidence dropped. Spending slowed significantly. And before every major recession since 1980, the yield curve inverted. Guess what? The yield curve has been inverted for over 18 months right now. 18 months. The longest inversion in modern U.S. history.
So what is this biggest warning signal? It's actually a combination of 3 things happening together. Signal number 1, yield curve inversion, when short-term rates are higher than long-term rates. Banks stop lending, businesses stop growing, jobs start disappearing. Signal number 2, consumer debt delinquencies. Right now, auto loan delinquencies up 30%, credit card defaults highest since 2010, buy now, pay later defaults skyrocketing. Signal number 3, retail spending slowdown. Major retailers reporting Walmart seeing trade down behavior, Target missing revenue targets, small businesses closing at record rates. When all 3 happen together, history says recession is coming.
Now, here's what you need to know. This isn't just about numbers. This is about your money, your job, your future. Here's what smart people are doing right now. Step 1. Build your emergency fund. Minimum 6 months expenses. Keep it in high-yield savings. Current rates, 4 to 5% APY. Step 2. Reduce high-interest debt. Credit cards first. Average rate now, 22%. This is literally killing your wealth. Step 3. Diversify income. One income stream is dangerous. Start building a second source now, before layoffs hit your industry. Step 4. Watch these indicators. Monthly jobs report. Consumer Confidence Index, credit card delinquency rates.
Look, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to prepare you. The people who saw 2008 coming and took action came out stronger on the other side. That's what Financial Stud is all about, giving you the knowledge that the mainstream media won't. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button. It literally takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. Subscribe to Financial Stud for weekly economic insights that protect your money. Drop a comment below, ready if you're taking action, worried if you need more guidance. I personally read every comment, and I'll point you to the right resources. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay financially strong. This is Financial Stud. Peace.